Nutmeg is a spice we get by grinding the seeds of the fragrant nutmeg tree that is native for Maluku island of Indonesia. This spice has a warm, slightly sweet taste which is used to flavor many kinds of cooking items. The nutmeg tree grows 10-meter height and produces two kinds of spices, nutmeg and mace. This spice comprises mainly many vitamins and minerals such as dietary fibers, magnesium, manganese, copper and B vitamins, zinc, phosphorus, and many more, which make it so powerful that using it even just a pinch can significantly benefit your health. There are plenteous benefits of nutmeg, and here we are sharing the list of the top 7 health benefits of nutmeg mentioned below. Nutritional value: 1 tablespoon of 7 grams of nutmeg gives you 24 milligrams of potassium, 15 milligrams of phosphorus, 13 milligrams of magnesium, 13 milligrams of calcium, and 5 milligrams of vitamin B9. Number 1. Strong heart and healthy kidney. It contains potassium that is necessary for the heart, digestive system, kidney, and other organs to work usually, as we know that organic food provides the DV of nutrients to our body. Like potassium, that decreases the risk of high blood pressure, heart disease, and stroke. Number 2. Healthy bones and strong teeth. Nutmeg contains phosphorus, which is highly recommended by the nutrition for healthy and strong bones. It can also give relief from aching gum and toothache. However, people with different health conditions such as kidney disease, diabetes may need phosphorus. Number 3. The aroma helps to remove bad breathing. As a home remedy, its powder is used to polish the teeth and also prevent bad breathing comes from your mouth due to different kinds of mouth diseases, such as gum swelling and toothache are common diseases. While brushing, it happens commonly blood comes from your teeth, but if you apply its powder 1 to 2 minutes on teeth, it will prevent tooth bleeding while cleaning your teeth. Number 4. Full of vitamins which cure more than half body diseases. It is loaded with several vitamins which helps to boost your body functions and also prevent eye disorder and skin-related problems. It also treats various diseases such as cholesterol levels and heart problems. Also, it facilitates many of the body's mechanisms and performs functions which cannot be achieved by any other nutrients. Number 5. Reduces mood swings, depression, and brain growth. In this modern era, depression is considered as the primary reason for deaths. The reason can be different, but they lead to one result. And this spice can showcase incredible benefits to fight depression, anxiety, and stress. It helps in brain growth and supplies the blood to brain to grow properly. If we use nutmeg powder in our daily routine diet, then it can decrease the depression level in our mind and also help to maintain our moods in daily routine. Number 6. Liver and disease. Nutmeg is highly recommended by the nutrition to cure liver diseases as it contains a fair amount of magnesium, which helps the patient's liver to increase work proficiency and make the healthy supply of blood in the whole body, and also increase the liver's workability, as we know that all body performance depends on the liver. Number 7. Adds flavor to recipe. An essential quality of nutmeg which is most beneficial for our health of it is used in cooking and baking. For being full of nutrients, it adds flavor to dishes. People use it to keep in their kitchens to use it in different recipes such as sweet and sour dishes. It is the component of different classical sauces to use in baking as well. Anyways, let me know what you think about in the comment section below. I will see you all tomorrow. Don't forget to click the like button and share this video with your friends. Always stay tuned and subscribe to our channel by hitting the bell icon to see our latest videos. Thanks for joining us today.